Hello everyone, welcome back. We ain't doing no milling today, we're doing some sawing. We're doing some trim on this building. That's all I can get to offer y'all today until we get the seal for the hydraulic leak on there. As soon as I get the seal in, I'll get it taken apart and put back together and we'll be back to milling. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish some of this lap siding up. I got it all chalk lined out where I got to cut and trim, and I run some trim boards on it. And sorry, that's all the video I got right now to give y'all, so at least give you some little video. Make it a little noisy. If I can do a little bit of this inside. I want to put some glasses on here. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, spider. Too good. I better go back in here. Thought I could do it from the outside with this chalk line, but I think it's a little bit easier in here. like I said, it don't have to be perfect. I can trim it up a little bit more, but the trim board will cover whatever mistakes I make, which I don't plan on making none. Good luck with that. This is just an old sawmill shed building. We're trying to make it look a little better. Cover up all the shrinkage cracks. Tell you what, the poplar cuts pretty easy, but the gum, not so easy. This blade don't like gum. I don't know if anything likes gum. Get off of there. Ooh, that piece is tough. One piece tough gum there. We ain't figured out what we're going to do with this building yet. Twisted the wrong way here a little bit. Let me go back over this way a little bit. I'm in a bind. Ugh. Man, what a ruckus. Did I follow my line? I ain't looked up yet. Kind of. Didn't do too bad. Now I just got to take a little edge off the sides a little bit. This one's pretty good. This one here's got a couple little pieces sticking out. And we should have this all cut out and ready for trim. I've already got the trim boards cut, so then we'll go up next and put 4-inch trim boards. That looks about like what this is. I'll get my tape measure here. Let's see. It'll look something like this. I'll give you an example of what it'll look like. Not bad for an old shabby building. Little reconstruct, little facelift on it. But we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos. Sorry we ain't got no more videos than what we got to put on right now. Like I said, until we get the saw fixed, waiting on the seal. As soon as the seal gets here, I'll take the hydraulic pump out, replace the seal and put it back together, and then we'll be back to milling again. We got the lot to mill up. We're getting behind more and more every day. So we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos. Sorry, that's all I had for y'all today. Let me find this remote control to shut this thing off. Figure out where I laid it. Yep, there we go. All right, y'all have a great day. I hope y'all subscribe, like the videos, and please share them if you can. We're getting up there. We got 491 people right now, subscribers, I'm sorry. And we appreciate every one of them and hope y'all tell some more people. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great day.